Oh, look. Another one we did on the show.
Holy.
Told you I'd finish it, kid.
Woo.
What do you think?
Looks good.
I think so too.
I didn't think I'd ever see this thing finished.
Me neither. Looking good, Tyson. No, Tyson in front. You gotta go in front. The guy's got the brains of a chicken. Okay, come on, buddy. 66. We built it on one of those. We built it for my son on the show, and then he wanted a Nova, and so we built that, sold that one. Then we sold the Nova, then we built the 850 horse 66 Chevelle. So he kept that one. I can't believe you haven't blown this up yet, because you don't know how to drive.
They said I was supposed to. They said I was gonna blow it up, or they said I was gonna wrap it around the pole, or they said I was gonna kill myself, and I didn't do any of those things. I still got it 7 years later. If anybody wants a real piece of Rust Valley Restorers memorabilia, this is the car from the show. 5 seasons of Rust Valley Restorers. The show restored over 85 cars, and this 66 Mustang has got to be one of the top 5, and I think Mike would agree with that. Just like Mike says, this car's just got to go to a good home, right? So that's all we want. We want this Ford Mustang to go to a good home.
Hey guys, Mike here from Rust Brothers. I'm here with Tyson Hepburn from Tyson Media. He is, unfortunately, he's had a change in life. He's getting married. The old lady says the car's got to go. It's going to be put up for auction. This beautiful red 66 Mustang.
Hang on, former co-creator, right?
And former co-creator of the hit television series. What were we called? Rust Valley Restorer. Anyway, this car has a 5-speed.
Yeah,
It's got the amazing custom rims.
Yeah, okay, so these custom rims from JF.
Yes.
This is Curtis Speed, California. We got those added on there.
This motor has been rack bagged. It was a Ford crate, 5-liter. We never did figure out the horsepower, but it was too much. It runs amazing. It's got the Monte Carlo bars. It's got some custom dubs.
Yeah, Dubs Custom did this. Of course, it looks just like his work, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of the cobweb kind of style.
Heavy duty aftermarket
fan.
fan. It's got the, Rad's got the electric fan. It's got the Pawsey. This thing has custom interior. Amazing paint job.
We've customized this car a ton. This car's got lots of custom work on it. We got the racing seats.
I actually have the original seats out of this car in my T-Bird.
Yeah, that's fine. You can keep those. And we got
Custom
the pistol grip shifter, right? Look at that.
Yes.
We got the and matching carpet.
Yes.
So there you go.
So like I said, guys, if you're looking for a rare car, well built, thing handles, it goes, draws a lot of looks, and if you're lonely, it could get your girlfriend.
Yeah, it could do. It works for works for me.
It got this guy a girlfriend. That's how good this car is. So anyway, it's coming up 2 weeks. Check it out. Bid high. You could take it home.
It was season 1, episode 3. Connor's car was the name of the episode. Or no, Mustang to Mustang.
Mustang to Mustang.
That's what it was called. That was the episode. Thank you.
Check it out, guys. Could be yours.
Give me yours. Gotta buy it. Available on AutoHunter.com. Come on, buy the car.